It's snack time. Toma. Nomás tíraselo, okay? Nomás tíraselo, tíralo. There you go. Here's another one. There you go. Here's another one. Yeah. Go. Good job. Another one.
Yeah.
There you go. Good job. Déjeselo ahí. Ese es de la osita. That's yours. Yum. More? Deja que caben. And then we could give them more, okay? Yeah, you just have to wait.
Eat.
No, don't touch. You don't touch them when they're eating, okay? What happened? Here. Give another one to Grace. Grace. Dáselo. Good job. Let's see who's next. Peluchini? Peluchini's next. Here, give it to Peluchini. Good job, my love. Now it's Dixie's turn. Dixie. Go give it to Dixie. Right there. Dixie. Good job. Ahí está, Dixie. She's kind of old and she can't hear. No. That's Dixie's. Ahí está Dixie. Dáselo, Dixie. Ahí, dáselo. Good job, my love. Ya nomás falta Osita.
Yeah.
Yeah, but she still has one, so. I'll give her this one. There you go, my love. There you go. Okay, all done. All done. All done, my love. No more. That's it. Tomorrow. Yeah.